Welcome to Module 2, Lesson 2.4, Multi-File Simultaneous Refactor. This lesson will show you how to perform RenMes across a codebase without missing a file, essential for software engineers and developers. The naive approach presents three distinct failure modes. IDE find and replace struggles with semantic distinctions. File coverage gaps leave critical files unrenamed, often causing production crashes. Finally, there's no verifiable audit trail, leading to PR rejection. Our mental model for the 200K token session uses a shared workspace. File load order matters. Load the definition module first. Writes are immediate and non-atomic. Commit the initial state first. The /status command is your mandatory gate to check token usage and avoid silent context overflow. The ClaudeForge architecture for Lesson 2.4 leverages the Claude Code CLI. We use glob patterns and naming conventions from Claude.md as input. The process involves token budgeting, file adding, status checks, renaming, and verification before an atomic git commit. Here we see the implementation of the token budget check and rename prompt. Our 6 files total 6,112 tokens, well within the 200K limit. The prompt is precise, detailing the renaming of "payment processor" to transaction handler, and including explicit negative constraints to prevent API contract breakage. For production patterns, commit the initial state first as a rollback anchor. During the session, add modules in dependency order and use /status to monitor the token budget. After the session, use verify_rename.py to confirm 0 residual occurrences and only commit if it passes. Comparing approaches, only Claude Code and the headless script offer full semantics and low risk. Manual methods present a high risk due to limited scope and lack of verification. The token benchmarks show our 6-file sample uses a small percentage of the session budget. The case study demonstrates the 8-step workflow. Commit initial state, run token budget check, monitor with rename dashboard, execute the rename with allowedTools, load files using /add and /status, apply the rename prompt, verify the rename, and finally, git commit. This lesson is a bridge to the headless pipeline. The manual steps here are the exact state machine. Lesson 3.3 will automate. Remember that Claude.md content position determines rename accuracy, and negative constraints are critical to prevent API contract breakage. Our key takeaways emphasize the importance of the token budget, using the allowedTools edit flag, always committing the initial state, treating verification failure as a hard fix, and including negative constraints to preserve API contracts. You can find further information and the tool scripts on GitHub. We also provide documentation for the Claude Code CLI and Claude.md reference, along with courses on the headless pipeline for further learning. Your homework is to ship a real rename in your own codebase. Follow the steps. Identify the symbol, run token_budget.py, execute the rename, run verify_rename.py, and commit. This is a real deliverable.